Tristan's first day, first time on the two-wheeler. It's doing pretty well.
Are you getting a good video?
I'm getting a good one, yeah. I don't want to see any crashes on here, so be careful.
I hope I don't tumble.
Me too.
Frankly, who does?
Okay, that's pretty darn good.
Okay, tell me to stop now.
I think it's time to stop. Yep. Good job, buddy. That's great.